Number 1. My brother like horror movies. Number 2. My cholesterol levels are high. Number 3. My dog goes everywhere with me. Number 4. My dog often lies on the grass. Number 5. My father goes to work by bike. Number 6. My father made me wash the car. Number 7. My favorite dance is tango. Number 8. My favorite music is pop music. Number 9. My hobby is collecting insects. Number 10. My husband is a very good cook. Number 11. My mother can't ride a bicycle. Number 12. My mother has good handwriting. Number 13. My mother made me a cute skirt. Number 14. My mother plays the piano well. Number 15. My parents live in the country. Number 16. My shoes are bigger than yours. Number 17. My sister goes to a university. Number 18. My uncle lives in an apartment. Number 19. My uncle lives near the school. Number 20. My wallet was stolen yesterday. Number 21. Next spring I want to graduate. Number 22. None of that actually happened. Number 23. Now let me ask you a question. Number 24. One of my suitcases is missing. Number 25. Our father goes to work by car. Number 26. Our school is near the station. Number 27. Our school was founded in 1990. Number 28. Paris is the capital of France. Number 29. Perhaps she will come tomorrow. Number 30. Perhaps you should do that now. Number 31. Physics is my favorite subject. Number 32. Playing tennis is a lot of fun. Number 33. Please add my name to the list. Number 34. Please circle the right answer. Number 35. Please have someone else to do it. Number 36. Please help me clean the house. Number 37. Please take me to the hospital. Number 38. Please tell me about your trip. Number 39. Please turn off the television. Number 40. Put some more wood on the fire. Number 41. Put the book back where it was. Number 42. She and her friends love music. Number 43. She appears to have a headache. Number 44. She asked a very good question. Number 45. She asked me where I was going. Number 46. She brought a cup of tea to me. Number 47. She called me in the afternoon.